and welcome to our presentation. The country that we will present is Taiwan. The economy of Taiwan is now facing a lower economic growth because of a lower demand of its trade partners. It is also a consequence of the tensions that took place between the USA and China. However, Taiwan is in a great financial position. It is the fourth electronic producer in the world. Now I'm going to give the word to my colleague.
Taiwanese companies are world leaders in electronics manufacturing, while most production shifts to mainland China and other countries in Asia. The islands of Taiwan is still home to many of the best manufacturers in electronics industry.
So with export dominated by all things technological, Taiwan has established itself an important role in the electronic global supply chain. The components of big computer brands are manufactured in that country, and computer brands like HTC, Acer, and Asus are also Taiwanese.
Taiwan is a frontrunner in terms of technology and manufacturing high-tech, and it's a center of laptop production. Taiwan is the fourth biggest electronic producer in the world. Taiwan is an indispensable partner for many market leaders such as Apple and Microsoft. The electronic sector in Taiwan has grown to such an extent that it was able to diversify significantly.
Partnerships with ICT and microelectronic companies facilitate access to the international market. By cooperating in the field of electronics, companies can gain access to new process technology, materials and components, engineering services, and global markets. Computer and consumer electronic items traditionally have been made by large, vertically integrated conglomerates that produce most of the component parts in-house. The Taiwanese have disaggregated the production process, permitting much greater flexibility in production.
Now, if you look at Taiwan's attractiveness, the foreign direct investment has risen from over 2,000 million USD in only 2 years. Taiwan is a very attractive destination for foreign investors because of the fact that its economy benefits from regional economic dynamism. The population has also a very high purchasing power, and the development of high-tech is still rising.
Taiwan is ideally located as an Asia-Pacific transportation hub, connecting Northeast and Southeast Asia with each other. Taiwan also has a very strong labor force with very high degrees, and each year about 300,000 new college and university students are added to the workforce.
Thank you, Vincent. Taiwan enjoys a healthy and independent legal system, with the average Taiwanese citizen having a high sense of awareness and respect of the law. Also, Taiwan is actively expanding international exchange and cooperation in the area of intellectual property and maintains close ties with the various institutions, chambers of commerce, and organizations representing intellectual property right holders. Next, Bram.
Taiwan's computer manufacturing sector reached an output of 189.5 billion new Taiwan dollars in 2019. Servers are the largest output with 94.2 billion new Taiwan dollars, a new record for Taiwan. The server shares accounts for 94.7% of the sector. Portable computers, laptops, and tablets accounted for 53.7 billion new Taiwan dollars. These parts accounts for 28.3% of the total output. This was followed by industrial computers at 36.1 billion new Taiwan dollars, which is 19.1% of the total output.